it's Nitu, and I want to share with you today my October favorites, and I have a few of them. I have 4 favorite things from Makeup Forever. The first one is the Makeup Forever HD High Definition Powder. Well, I really like this one, and I use this as a setting powder, and I really do feel that it does blur the pores a bit, so that you look a bit more poreless, but not completely, just a little bit. And I feel that this works. This is the best that I found so far at doing that. And so I really do want a powder that does that. It is a micro finish powder, and it is just a white color, and it's a very, very finely milled powder, and it just goes into your skin seamlessly. I have a darker skin tone, but it doesn't look pasty or white on me. So I really like this one, and you know, probably you already know about it, probably you like it too. It's quite a popular powder. Okay, the other products that I like from Makeup Forever are these aqua cream pots, and they are versatile, so you can use them as doing whatever you want. Actually, honestly, do whatever you want with them. But I use them mainly as eyeshadows, and I'm wearing this orange one right now. This is number 10. Sorry, so hard to see the shade at the moment because I've had this for a while, but this is number 10. This is the first one I bought. Let me swatch it for you. So it's just an orange cream. There we are. So it's just an orange cream, and it's already on my finger like that, and I'm wearing it right now on my eye. I just put it at the end, and then I put a black eyeliner over it. So this is number 8, and I love that. I love this color a lot. I love this one and the orange one the most. Use a different finger this time. Yeah, so it really is very red, and I use this in my vampire makeup tutorial, and you can use it as an eyeliner, you can use it as an eyeshadow, you can use this as a lipstick, and you can use it as a blush. I don't use it as a lipstick because I find it quite drying. It just doesn't go on my lips very well. As a blush, it's a kind of dark, but you can try it. They say on the website that you can use it in all those different ways, but yeah, I use these mainly as eyeliners and eyeshadows. They stay on so well. They are waterproof, and they don't smudge after. You have to, like, if you want to blend, you've got to do it really quickly, because after it's on, and you would need makeup remover to take it off, or like oil or something. So the next one I have is number 6, and it is just this pink color. And this one is too light for me to use as a lipstick. And again, as a lipstick, it just doesn't go on very smoothly to be used that well as a lipstick. This one you can maybe use as a blush if you have fairer skin tone, and this is a really good color for the fairer skin tones. But again, I've been using this during the summer and spring as eyeliner and eyeshadow, and that works well for me. 2 other products that I've really been loving are by Innisfree. Ta-da! And this was released last year, actually, in last year's fall line. This is number 6 in the glossy lip lacquer. This is Innisfree's glossy lip lacquer in number 6. And I'm wearing this right now. I'm actually wearing it with this mauve-y nude, kind of burgundy, but kind of nude. It's like a dark nude, but a bit burgundy mauve kind of lip liner. It's by Helen E. But this is a very versatile lip liner that I can use with a lot of different darker lip colors. So this would work with a purpley lip color, this would work with a red lip color, and this is supposed to be a burgundy bold lip color that's really great for fall. So I really like this. It's very moisturizing. It goes on very smoothly. A little goes a long way, so you just take it out. And I do that, and if it's not on very well, I use my finger to blend it out, and then you can add more to it. So just put on a little at a time, otherwise it's just gonna smear and it won't look that good, and you won't get the, you know, with the bold lips, you wanna have a very clean lip line. So I just put it on very carefully and slowly, and that works for me. And it hasn't been sticking to my hair or going all over the place, so I like that as well, because that's the reason why I generally don't like lip glosses. But this is a lip lacquer, and it's not as sticky as some lip glosses that I have tried. And the Innisfree Apple Juicy Cleansing Oil. I'm halfway done this bottle, and this removes everything. Like, it removes the They're Real mascara when I use it with this, so you don't need to buy actually that expensive It's Real or They're Real makeup remover that they have specifically in Benefit for the eyeliner and for the mascara. This cleansing oil works really well. I also love the olive one by Innisfree, and so I love the Innisfree cleansing oils, and this is supposed to be really good for people who have blackheads or pores, because it helps clean out the pores. You take a pump and you put it on and you massage your face, and it takes off waterproof makeup as well and everything. And then it emulsifies, and it helps pop those, it just helps clean the pores, like the blackheads kind of pop out sometimes if you have, you know, but it helps remove blackheads. After this, you should use a cleansing foam to properly wash your face as well, just in case there's any makeup residue left. Also, because sometimes I feel that this leaves a residue on your face, and I want my face to be completely clean. So I use this with the cleansing foam, and the Cine cleansing foam, I removed all these makeup swatches from the Makeup Forever with just the Cine cleansing foam, and that worked really well, and that was in my September favorites. But I actually used them both together. But this and any cleansing foam after will work really good, and it smells great too. And so I actually am a big fan of Innisfree. I love their products. Another favorite is the Sephora Softening Facial Mist, and I love this even more than the Avenue
or Avenue. Right about it.
Okay, got it. I have this huge bottle of the Avene O Thermale, Aqua Thermale, and this is really nice to just soften or tone your skin, and I have used that in the past, but I even like this one so much better. It really moisturizes your face, and it smells really good. It says, refresh your face with lotus extract, and it doesn't have parabens in it, and it has lotus extract in it, and it has no alcohol in it either. It's dermatologically tested and is good for sensitive skin, and it really does what it says that it does. I might do a full review on this at another time, but this is the Nars Radiant Concealer, Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I actually really love this. I got it in honey, and when I tested it in the store, I thought, oh, maybe it's too pink on me. But then I tested it on my face. When I tried it on my face, I was like, wow, it's perfect. It actually is perfect for my face. Maybe too pink for my hand, but perfect for my face. So my hand and my face are different colors. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Let me blend it out. There we are. Oh, I don't know if you can see it, or if you see that it is a bit pinker where it is, but for my face, it did blend in seamlessly, and it was not too pink for my face, actually. Who knew that my face was pinker than my hand? Seriously, I never knew that. And another favorite of mine, and I have to thank my friend Geneva for this, because when she visited me from Japan, she gave me these items. And the first one is this powder brush, and it's by a Japanese brand. I don't know if you can see on here, but it's called Only Minerals. Only Minerals makeup brand, and they are famous for mineral powders, mineral eyeshadows, like Bare Minerals. And she told me that these brushes were quite affordable, so I have this is the foundation one or powder one, and this is the eyeshadow one, but you can use it for concealer as well, probably. So they are very dense, they are very soft, they work very well with mineral powders, and they are really good brushes. So thank you for these, Geneva. And I use them all the time, and they're the best brushes that I have. So thank you. And they're really pretty. They have this crystal on it. Pretty. Okay, so my last favorite for October is a book series, and it's by Darynda Jones. So Darynda's books, and the first one is First Grave on the Right. That is the first book of a series, and the second one is Second Grave on the Left, and then Third Grave Dead Ahead, Fourth Grave Beneath My Feet, Fifth Grave Past the Light, and I'm on Sixth Grave on the Edge. And I love these books. It is about a girl called Charley, and she is a Grim Reaper, and she was born a Grim Reaper, and it's really hard being a Grim Reaper because, you know, you see ghosts, people think you're crazy, you know, it's a tough life. This is the first book of the series by Darynda Jones, and it's about Charley Davidson, who is a Grim Reaper. Basically, she sees dead people, and it's her job to get them to go into the light, and guess what? She is the portal into the light. So basically, they have to pass through her when they die, because she's a Grim Reaper. So I love this series. Charley's character is so funny, and I just love the way Darynda Jones writes. If you're a sarcastic person, if you love comedy and you're sarcastic and you love that sarcastic kind of comedy, you'd love this series. So I highly recommend it, and I don't want to tell you too much about it because it would spoil it for you, and I don't want to have any spoiler alerts here. So just, if you are sarcastic and you like ghosts or supernatural thrillers, then yeah, this is a really good series. I really like it. It's not a particularly new series because I'm already on book 6. Oh, at the same time, she's kind of a detective. So she's solving these crimes with dead people. It's kind of cool. And if you like this video, please click like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye.